Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Betwixt by ChinStrap. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have between lines in the grid. So there's two circles and then a line that connects them. Whatever digits are in the circle, say 2, 5, the digits on the line have to be strictly in between those two digits. So these would be from 3 and 4 only. Because they can't be 2, 5 and they can't be 1, 6 because 1 is outside the range and 6 is outside the range. Digits can repeat as long as Sudoku rules allow. So like these two digits can't repeat because Sudoku would say no. But like this can be a 2 and this can be a 2 and that's perfectly fine. All right. We also have just have an X here. So X is the Roman numeral for 10. These two digits sum to 10. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Alrighty. Well, 10 is always 4, 6 in a 6x6. It's a little more interesting in 9x9s, but I think that probably seeds our start here. So these three digits have to all be different. So with 3 different digits, that means that these two have to have if we subtract them, they have to be 4 different or more, right? So like if I have a 1 here, I have to add at least 4 to here to get to 5, because in here I would put like 2, 3, and 4. So that means that this can be, the low can be 1 or 2 and the high can be 5 or 6, but we're not doing 2, 5. We're either doing 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, or 2, 6. That's it. Now here, we don't have the same restriction. The 4, 6 pair says that's not a 6. Now, if that's not a 6, this can't be a 2. What else can we say here? I mean, all between lines can't be 1 or 6. So these are from 2 through 5. So that is a 2, 3, 4, 5 quad in this column. So this is our 6 and this is 1. Puts a 4 there, so that's not 4. We do anything more with this? 1, 2, 3, 5. The 1's in one of these two. So now that this is low, this has to be the higher digit. So this could be a 2, 3 pair with a 2, 3 pair here, and then these could be from 2, 3. I don't see any reason that would be a problem. And so this could be 4, 5, or 6. 6 in this box goes here, actually. So that's not a 6. And so now none of these can be 5 because the maximum digit is 5 on the circles. And so this is actually a 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 1 and 6 go over here. And so the 1 and 6 in this box go here. This 6 tells us the order. That's 1, that's 6. That places the 1 here. These two 1s look up, placing the 1 here. That's no longer a 1. So this is the 1 or 6, and this is the 2 or 5. So we're either doing 2, 6 or 1 or 5, 1. Interesting. The rest of this row is 2, 3, 5. So 6 in this column has to go here, or the box. 6 is over here somewhere. 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5, no. Can these still all just be 2, 3 pairs? I don't see why not. Wonder if that's what happens, like this ends up a 4. Oh no, I have a 2, 3, yeah, 5 in this box can only go here. Never mind. So that's a 5. And that makes this 2, which makes the other side a 6. So none of these are 2. That can't be 5. Over here we get the 1. That places the 6 down here as well. So 3, 4, 5. So the 4 is in one of these two. We know we need a 2 down here somewhere. We need a 5 down here somewhere. I'm trying to see if there's any Sudoku. So these can be from any 2, 3, 4. The between line does not restrict these anymore. Here, the between line does not restrict any of these. This is a 3, 4, 5 triple though. So this is 1, 2. So that's the 2. That's the 1. Does 2 do anything? 2's in one of these two, so that can't be 2. This is 3, 4, 5. This is a pair, 3, 4. So this is a 2. So these are not 2s. That places the 2 here. This is a 5. So these are not 5s. Oops, these are not 5s. 3, 4 pair. I don't think it's between lines. I think it's just Sudoku now. This column is 2, 3, 5. It's not 2, that's not 5. 3, 4 pairs. This is the 5 in the row. That's not a 5. That places the 5 here. That gives us the 3 and the 4, giving us 3 and 2. 3 and 4 here. We get the 3, 4, and 2. We get 2 3s in the corner, by the way. That's 3 and 4. That's 5, 4, and 3, and that's 5. Alrighty. Cool. Cool puzzle, ChinStrap. Yeah, I mean, maybe I over penciled a bit, but it did make it solve pretty cleanly. But I think looking for where the 1 and 6 go were pretty key to this puzzle. All right, cool. Well, let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed this, why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.